You're losing 5 hours a week right now, and you probably don't even realize it. Writing emails, making slides, taking notes, designing graphics. Most of that can be done by AI in seconds. Today, 5 tools that'll give you that time back. Hey, welcome back to AI in Minutes. Today we're breaking down 5 free or near free AI tools that take the boring, repetitive parts of your week off your plate. Let's get into it. First up, Otter.ai. If you sit in meetings and end up typing notes the whole time instead of actually listening, this fixes that. Otter records and transcribes your meetings in real time, then automatically pulls out action items and a summary. Connect it to Zoom or Google Meet, and it just runs in the background. Imagine you just got off a 1-hour client call. Normally, you'd spend the next 20 minutes typing up what was said. With Otter, you open the app and you already have a transcript, a summary, and a list of action items waiting the second you hang up. For anyone in back-to-back meetings, this alone can save hours a week. Second, Claude or ChatGPT, whichever you prefer. This is the obvious one, but most people barely scratch the surface. Beyond writing emails, you can paste in a messy page of notes and ask it to turn that into a clean summary. Draft a first version of a report, or just talk through a problem out loud, like a thinking partner. Say you've got 3 pages of rough notes from a brainstorm. Instead of staring at them trying to make sense of it, you paste them in and ask for a 1-paragraph summary plus 3 next steps. 10 seconds, done. The time save isn't the writing itself. It's never starting from a blank page. That blank page is where most of your time actually disappears. Third, Gamma. If you've ever spent an entire evening fighting with PowerPoint to make slides that don't look like they're from 2009, Gamma fixes that. You type in a topic or paste your notes, and it builds a fully designed deck layout, structure, even icons in under a minute. Say you've got a meeting next week. Paste your bullet points in, pick a theme, and Gamma hands you a 10-slide deck with sections and visuals already laid out. You're editing instead of building from zero. For anyone who presents regularly, this is one of the biggest time savers on this list. Fourth, Canva, specifically its Magic Studio features. If you need a thumbnail, a socio post, or any graphic and you're not a designer, Canva's AI tools can generate it, resize it for every platform, and even remove backgrounds automatically. Need a YouTube thumbnail right now? Type a description, generate a background. Drop your text on top, then resize the same design for Instagram and LinkedIn all in about 2 minutes. What used to take an hour in Photoshop now takes 2. And fifth, Zapier, with its newer AI features. This one's less flashy, but might save you the most time long term. Zapier connects your apps and automates the repetitive stuff, like saving email attachments to a folder, or turning a form submission into a task automatically. With AI built in, you can now just describe what you want in plain English every time someone fills out my contact form. Add them to my spreadsheet and send me a Slack alert, and it builds that automation for you. No code required. So to recap, Otter for meeting notes, Claude or ChatGPT for writing and thinking, Gamma for slides, Canva for design, and Zapier for automating the boring stuff. None of these need a tech background, just a few minutes to set up, and they keep paying you back every single week. If this saved you some time, hit your subscribe. I post a new AI tool breakdown every week. And let me know in the comments, which one are you trying first?